How to open YouTube Studio desktop on mobile. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for studio.youtube.com. You will then see two options, that is, get the app or continue on browser. So tap on the option below, that is, continue to studio option. You will then be led to this type of interface. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. And if you want to switch your account, then you can tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen and then tap on the switch account option to switch the account. You can simply zoom in or zoom out in order to view the content in there clearly. So this is how you can open YouTube Studio Desktop on mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.